Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix clock widget is not showing in Samsung Galaxy S21. If you're using Galaxy S21 and you're facing the issue that once you have restarted your phone or your clock widget is not showing here or here or anywhere on your home screen, so let's see how can you restore your clock widget. So the very first thing, you just have to keep a long press on an empty place on your home screen, like here and here, anywhere. You can keep a long press on an empty place. Then click on widgets. Now once you are in widgets, scroll down until you see clock. Click on it. And under clock, you must see a lot of widgets you can add to your home screen. Like there's a dual clock widget. It's also dual clock, and it's digital clock, it's an analog clock, and it's a colorful digital clock or alarms. So I'm gonna set, let's say, this one. Just keep a long press on it and release it anywhere on your home screen you want to set it. You can also change its place or its size. So in this way, you can easily set your clock widget if your clock widget is not showing or is missing from your home screen and your Samsung Galaxy S21. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.